is real. Today, the greatest 11 smart home upgrades under $50 that solve real problems, add convenience, and save energy. Think practical, reliable, small wins that compound into a genuinely smarter home. No complicated installs, no big subscriptions, just useful tech. Let's get into it. I start with the simplest, most universally useful item, the TP-Link Tapo Smart Plug. Plug it into any socket, then your lamp, a fan, or a coffee maker. Control them from the app. Set schedules, create simple automations. Bedside lamp on. Before you wake, kettle waits until you say so. They cut standby power. In the UK, standby costs add 35.86 per year for many homes. Scheduling and timers help shave pounds without changing habits. They're reliable, easy to set up, and often under $20 each. Name plugs clearly, group by room, keep schedules simple. Link to Alexa or Google Home for hands-free control. You just upgraded dumb devices for very little money. The Echo Dot is the budget entry point to voice automation and smart control. It's compact, sounds better than you'd expect, and acts as a capable hub for many devices. For under $50, you get hands-free voice control, routines, timers, music, and news, a high-value piece of the ecosystem. Use a good night routine, lights dim, outlets switch off, sensors arm your security scene. Place it centrally, connect to Wi-Fi, link services, check privacy settings. You can delete voice history and mute the mic physically. The IKEA Clipbox is a tiny, inexpensive sensor that can prevent costly water damage. Place it under sinks, near washing machines, or by a boiler to detect moisture early. An instant alert can be the difference between a quick mop and a full repair bill. It's battery powered, unobtrusive, and integrates via IKEA's app or hub. At around $7, you can cover multiple risk spots.